You're here to draw with Sneh. Today I have for you a portrait that I made in Procreate. So I'll walk you through the whole process step by step so that it can help you to also achieve similar results. Here you go. Start with drawing guidelines of face. Now draw face features following these guidelines like eyes, nose, lips and chin. Now that the basic face structure is made, identify the lines on face and start drawing them. Vary the brush pressure according to the intensity of line. Start filling up the dark areas. Don't be shy. Observation is the key. Keep in mind, before starting your sketch, always give yourself time to observe your reference image. Go slow, be patient. During the process, don't expect it to look pretty. Your artwork is in making. Have faith. You can start detailing now. Try zooming in the reference image if it is available with you digitally. Details make all the difference, no matter how minute they are. Don't focus on detailing out one specific part at a time. In this artwork specifically, to tone down overall brightness, I am putting an overall layer of grey underneath the main sketch. Start to highlight the brightest point on face by erasing using soft brush from grey layer. And that's it. You're done. Thank you all for watching this video. Please remember to share and subscribe.